have to use the winch already?
Come on, coming in behind you. Behind you.
Where you going? Forward or back?
Huh?
Forward?
Forward. Is the thing in four-wheel drive? Because the front doesn't look like it's moving.
Where's four-wheel drive? Hang on a second. Hang on, maybe it's not. Here we go. Oh, you're right. Now I can bury more. Yeah, four-wheel drive definitely helps. But this is gnarly. Fucking King, where's he taking us?
See how big the hole is he dug right there?
Go ahead. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Damn.
Over there.
Huh?
How'd you do that?
Right wheel up on this and right over it.
Oh, that's fine.
Man! First thing you gotta do is put this thing in four-wheel drive. Can't do it in two. No, I didn't realize I wasn't in four. Let me go see where Eric's at. He should be right here.
Eric got We're gonna winch up that?
I don't know what we're doing yet. That was cool though. Oh, you got through there. I didn't realize I wasn't in four-wheel drive. That's why oh, that helps.
Oh, that makes it a little easier. Hey, Bill, can you sit on this? This is going to be bitchy.
Huh?
This is going to be a bitchy picture. I'm going to get this thing as high up as we can, and you know, you like, not like to widen it, but you're winching it to get up this waterfall.
Okay.
Backpack off, I'll get you in.
Need more lead?
Yeah. Good. Okay, pull it tight. A little more.
Didn't seem to be giving, huh?
Yeah. He pulled that other bush down. I've been here a while.
It took me a minute to figure out it wasn't in four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
We took the thing for that.
I had to get out and move a big old rock too, man.
Well, you move it. You gotta go over
3 of them.
Okay, hop on. The only way you can test the dip lock you have in there
Yeah.
is by doing this kind of stuff. Otherwise, you never need it.
Right.
Never.
And I had it on. And it actually did pretty well overall.
No, you got through there easier than I did.
I high centered. But dip lock and power steering.
That's nice, huh?
Oh, fuck, dude. Dip lock, you normally can't turn it. But with the power steering, you can. That's a lot of faith.
Well, he wants to get it up there off the ground. He wants to get it up as high as he can, he said.
That's why you need the wireless remote to do that.
Well, he wants somebody on it, though. He wants me actually on it. He's going to take pictures of me actually on it.
Hey, Bill,
Ah,
can you get up here, stand like this, take the
camera off.
here.
Let's turn it off.